stop. Before you cut into this avocado, try and make sure this is a Hass avocado because they taste so good. And if you think you love avocados and you haven't tried this one, something has gone terribly wrong and you should definitely go to the store right now and get one. Cut the avocado across lengthwise. I recommend doing it on a flat surface if you're not too certain about your knife skills, alright? Once you do that, just twist the avocado, pop it open, and just to get the seed out, jab the knife into it, twist it again, and pop the seed off of the knife from the dull part. Take each half of the avocado and put it flesh side down on the cutting board. Don't worry, you're doing great so far. Make a diagonal cut on each side for these nice, even, neat avocado slices as seen on TV. Find the corner on each wedge and peel the avocado. Seriously, this is so satisfying. This recipe is worth doing just for this part. Also, this is why we didn't try to scoop out the avocado with a spoon or something and get really slimy avocado hands before we even started. Now, because you're also a master chef with mad cooking skills, you just made 3 strips of bacon appear out of thin air, or the refrigerator. Grab each strip of bacon semi-awkwardly and flimsy-like and wrap it around each avocado wedge. Just wrap it around all the way through. It doesn't have to be really nice. You don't care and the oven doesn't as well. Take all your beautiful bacon wrapped avocado creations and set them aside on some baking paper. Right now, all you have to do is lightly sprinkle it with salt and pepper so it wouldn't be completely bland, because it will. Because bacon is not spice, okay? Now all you have to do is put them in the oven on 220 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how crispy the bacon is looking at the moment. And that's it. Just add some unappetizing looking sour cream, which is delicious, and that's it. You're done. You can impress all your friends and families. This is both delicious and nutritious, I promise. Really. Check the facts. It's facts.